another video. My name is Dee, and if you're new here, welcome. And for my return subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, as per the title, I'll be showing you guys how I wax my legs at home. So to start off, as you can see, I'll just be exfoliating my legs. This is a very crucial step when it comes to waxing, and you don't want to skip it for just good results and to make your work easier. So to exfoliate, I'll be using this exfoliating glove. I got it from a page on Instagram at I think 100 bob. So I'll be using that and the normal soap that I use to shower. After that, I'll just then go in for a second time with a scrub, with a body scrub, just to make sure my legs are exfoliated well. Please, when you're showering, always remember to exfoliate your legs to get smooth and nice legs. Make sure you exfoliate all the way to the heel and at the back of your leg. Yeah. I do this the day before, as you need to wait a little while after exfoliating before you go in with the waxing. So this is the next day. Just to prep my legs, I'll be using a wet wipe just to wipe off any excess oil that might be there. Oil doesn't go well with waxing, as the wax won't be able to attach to your body nicely. So you need to wipe any excess oil. Make sure your legs are very dry before you go in with the waxing. And to make sure my legs were dry, I just went in with a towel just to wipe off the excess wetness from the wet wipe. So this is hot water that I'm just pouring in a glass jar. I saw this hack a while back. When you're buying these wax strips, they literally tell you that you need to hit them up with your hands by rubbing them, but that just usually doesn't work. So just take a hot water, pour it in a glass jar, and then use the glass jar to heat up the wax strips. As you've seen, I've also gone in with powder just to make sure my legs are dry enough and there's not any oil residue that will affect the wax strips from attaching to my legs. So that is just how you do it. The paper is usually so hard, so you're not afraid that it will burn you or it will burn the paper. It's just very hard. And yeah, it warms up the wax, it melts up the wax quite easily and fast, saves you time. And so after that, you separate the wax strips. There are actually two attached. You separate them like that. The box usually says 20 pieces but they come as 10 sheets. So if you separate them, there are two, so that's how they count as 20. And then when it comes to waxing, you want to know the direction of your hair growth. As for me, my hair grows going downwards, so you apply the wax strips towards the direction of your hair growth and then pull it against the hair growth. As you can see, I'm applying it going downwards and then pulling the paper upwards. At this point, I was attempting to show you guys the hairs, but the leg hairs, they're very fine, so it's not so easily visible as compared to maybe the armpit hairs. So another hack, you can just this strip, you can use it severally, but after a few strips, after a few applications, it usually dries up. So you can just put it on your leg like that, and then just slide the glass of water on top of the wax strip, and then it'll just melt it for a little bit, and you continue with the pulling. So you just repeat the same process from the front, going all the way to the back and all the way. Some people usually have little hairs on their toes, so you can go all the way to your toes and just wax that place also. So I did the same thing with my second leg. Just pour the hot water in a glass jar. This glass jar is very strong. Make sure you use something strong that might not break and maybe burn you or hurt you. This glass jar is strong, and yeah. So I just repeat the same process. Heat up the wax strip. Another thing, guys, when you're buying these wax strips, some people will tell you it will work. It will work for your maybe bikini area or armpits. Trust me. Unless I think maybe you're white or you have very fine hairs, most of it doesn't work. You'll try and try. The very first time I went to this shop, and then I was asking them, like, are you sure it will work for my bikini area? And they're like, yeah, it will. Well, I went home. Actually, that is how I started waxing my legs. Went home, tried it severally, but it just couldn't work. And then I was like, I can't just waste my 900 bob. Let me try my arms and my legs and my hands. And it worked, and that's how I started waxing my legs and my hands. Waxing just gives you, especially for the girls that love short dresses and skirts, waxing your legs just give you a certain glow. It removes the dead skin, removes the hairs, so it just leaves you with a very nice glow. And even when you're applying lotion, it gets fully absorbed into the skin just nicely. So if you love short dresses, consider waxing your legs if you've never tried it before. So as the first leg, I just go all the way, repeating the whole process. If you know you can't do this, get a professional to do it for you. Don't burn yourself, don't hurt yourself, but this is just for the girls that like to do things for themselves. You can try this at home. Also, the pain level is very what should I say? It's not as painful as the armpits or the bikini area. Plus, this wax is it's soft and it's so light. Trust me, it doesn't even hurt. It's just like applying what is it called? Tape on your hand and then just pulling it off. But now with this one, it comes off with the hairs. After after that, you just wipe your legs with wet wipe. Wet wipe should be your friend at during this process. Just wipe. Maybe the little spots that the glue will stick, but you can just wipe, and once you apply your lotion, it just comes off, so don't worry about that. If not, you can just still go back and wash your legs and it will come off. Or you can use the back of the wax strip where there's no wax, and then just pull it off and it will come off with the glue. So to moisturize my legs, I usually use this Nivea moisturizing lotion, and I also bought this Nice and Lovely glycerin for cocoa butter. It smells so nice. I just discovered it a few days ago at the supermarket, and I wanted to try it. It smells so nice, guys. Then just moisturize your legs nicely. Always remember the back of your leg and your toes, and yeah, as you can see, my leg is already just glowing. Compare this one that I've moisturized and the other one. There's just a certain glow. So if you've never tried waxing your legs, please do, especially if you're going to the beach or you wear short dresses and skirts. You should try waxing your legs. You'll love it. You'll love just how they look. This cocoa butter glycerin smells so nice. It's a great find. I actually bought a small size just to try it, and I think I'll just be buying it and like mixing it directly with the lotion. Yeah, just look how nice my legs look. Just a certain beautiful glow. Exfoliating your leg is very important, even if you're not like hairy and you're not going to wax. Just always remember to exfoliate your legs, please. Thanks. Peep the glow. Gosh, I want to shine. Next, I usually have this cuticle cream that I bought it from, I think, Best Lady. I just usually like to apply it at the back of my leg and my toes. Just softens my leg, so I never miss that step. I usually use that or Vaseline, and after that, always remember to wear socks. So after that, this step was not so necessary. It wasn't related with the waxing, but my nail gel was chipping off, and girls, you'd rather have no polish than walk around with chipped nails. So I just went ahead and removed my gel, just file it a little bit. Then I usually use this cotton. These what are they called? The cotton that you use for makeup. I don't want to call them sliced. But yeah, it's just easy to use them. It just fits on the toe, and yeah, went in with the rest of the legs, and then after that, I'll just remove it, file my nails again, and that will be it. This acetone, I think I also got it from Best Lady. These are things that you can just easily find them, and at a very affordable price. So guys, I think that will be it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section maybe other hacks that you guys do at home for your legs and your nails. And yeah, until the next video guys, bye bye.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is